Clinical trials are the backbone of medical advancements, allowing for the development of new treatments and therapies. At the heart of these studies are investigators, medical professionals who conduct research, collect data, and ensure the integrity of the trial. For clinical trial coordinators and research administrators, understanding the nuances of investigator reimbursement is crucial. Proper management of these financial processes ensures compliance, transparency, and successful collaboration.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
Let us start with understanding investigator reimbursement. Investigator reimbursement refers to the financial compensation provided to investigators for their role in conducting a clinical trial. It covers costs incurred during the study, ensuring that investigators are not financially burdened by their participation. It's important to distinguish between reimbursement and compensation. Reimbursement addresses the recovery of actual expenses, while compensation pertains to additional payments for time, effort, and expertise. What is the importance of investigator reimbursement? Understanding investigator reimbursement is vital for several reasons. First, compliance with ethical standards and regulations is crucial for meeting the guidelines set by regulatory bodies such as the FDA and EMA. Proper management ensures that reimbursements are fair and transparent, which helps maintain ethical integrity. Secondly, financial transparency is essential. Proper reimbursement processes help maintain the integrity of financial transactions, reducing the risk of fraud or misallocation of funds. Lastly, fair and timely reimbursement encourages investigator participation and commitment. By providing fair compensation, clinical trials foster a productive research environment that attracts dedicated professionals. Investigator reimbursement typically includes several key components. Direct costs include personnel costs, such as salaries for research staff, travel expenses for attending study meetings or conferences, and other study-related expenses like materials or equipment. Indirect costs, also known as overheads, cover institutional administrative fees necessary for supporting the trial infrastructure. Additionally, payments are often tied to specific milestones or deliverables within the study, such as patient recruitment targets or data submission deadlines. The process of investigator reimbursement involves several steps. It starts with contract negotiation and budgeting, where initial discussions set the groundwork for which costs will be covered. This involves negotiating a budget that reflects both direct and indirect costs. Once a draft budget is prepared, it moves to the budget proposal and approval phase, where it needs to be approved by all parties involved, including sponsors and institutional review boards. After that, documentation and invoicing come into play. Investigators must document all expenses thoroughly, submitting invoices according to agreed timelines. Finally, upon approval of invoices, payments are dispersed as per the schedule set out in the contract. Clinical trial coordinators often face several challenges in managing investigator reimbursements. Delays in payment processing can occur due to administrative bottlenecks, affecting cash flow for investigators. Disputes over cost allocation can arise, leading to disagreements on what constitutes reimbursable expenses, thus making it necessary to have clear guidelines from the outset. Furthermore, ensuring compliance with diverse regulations can be complex, as different regional or national regulations may apply, requiring thorough knowledge and constant updates. To address these issues, establishing clear communication channels with all stakeholders is essential to preempt misunderstandings. Detailed documentation and record-keeping are also important to facilitate smooth auditing processes. Utilizing technology solutions, like specialized software for tracking expenses and automating payment processes, can significantly improve efficiency and reduce delays. Implementing best practices can greatly enhance how reimbursements are managed. Clear communication channels are essential, ensuring regular updates and open dialogue between investigators, sponsors, and administrative staff is crucial. Maintaining detailed documentation helps support transparency and accountability by providing a comprehensive record of all transactions. Moreover, leveraging software solutions designed specifically for clinical trials can streamline the management of payments and budgets, improving overall efficiency. Regulatory bodies like the FDA in the US and EMA in Europe provide guidelines that govern fair reimbursement practices. Understanding these regulations is essential to avoid legal pitfalls. Ethically, it is important to ensure that reimbursement rates reflect fair market value without unduly influencing investigators' decisions or actions within a trial. Understanding investigator reimbursement is not just about managing finances. It's about ensuring fairness, compliance, and fostering positive relationships within clinical research. As a clinical trial coordinator or a research administrator seeking to deepen your knowledge in this area, continued education on financial management practices is invaluable. Engaging with professional organizations or networks can provide support and guidance as you navigate this complex field. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research. Leave a comment and tell us your experiences with investigator reimbursement.